fucking easy. That's why you work on Subarus, man. You ain't gotta do shit.
I'm a pit bull. I don't mean to brag. Come on, little mommy, you can shake a little ass.
Alright, what is up, guys, and welcome back. And today we are doing the first mod for the Subaru WRX. So, a little recap if you guys didn't see the previous video, but I bought a 2020 Subaru WRX. It's completely stock. Nothing has been done to it. And yeah, we're gonna get it started off with an exhaust. So we picked up the Greddy Performance single exit exhaust. This thing is an absolute cannon. So this thing is fucking ridiculous, but it's only 2 pieces. Should be a fairly simple install. And I'm excited. I want to hear the turbo whistle on this thing. Yeah.
That's bright.
New tools, man. New tools. Alright. So this is the exhaust. Just a big old single exit fucking cannon. And then the other half is just one tube. There's no clamps or anything. It's just basically just 2 big pieces. You bolt them together. They come with exhaust gaskets, and then pretty much everything you need for the install comes in this hardware bag. So you got all your gaskets, and then you get your hardware. It should all just bolt right up. Should be simple.
Should be.
It's a Subaru. It's time to fuck around and find out. Oh fuck! I hit my arm on the quick jack. Alright, well, all you need is a 14 millimeter and a 12 millimeter wrench. You just gotta unbolt this thing from this thing, and pretty much just hold the wrench. Fucking easy. That's why you work on Subarus, man. You ain't gotta do shit. Alright, and then what's next?
Grabbing that exhaust.
What's that? Fast. There's no hangers like all the way up here?
Nah, up until right there.
Up until right here.
Oh, right.
So we just gotta pull up these hangers, I guess.
Cameraman doesn't have a fucking creeper. Fuck.
Yeah, you just gotta pop these hangers off now. I'm about to speed run this exhaust install. Dude, I love new cars.
Oh, did it already hop out?
Yeah. You remember, like, this is like doing the exhaust on the BRZ, just without snapping the fucking bolt, because we don't have Carson here. That fucker.
Oh, shit.
Look at that. This thing's gonna drop on me. Did we unbolt the mufflers?
Huh?
For some reason, the mufflers are their own flanges.
No.
Yeah, we can just pull the mufflers off with it.
Yeah, I was about to say, fuck that, just pull them all off. That's why it hasn't fallen. Why the fuck is it right there?
That's a fun one.
Yeah, it is a fun one.
Oh, look, I got one over here too.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Where am I?
That's in a fun spot.
It is in a very fun spot.
Fuck yeah. Okay, well, let's go ahead and just pop this one free. Oh, how do I even get the WD up there?
The W in there.
Gonna have to give it a long shot.
You have to shoot some ropes, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to give it. I'm gonna have to give it the long shot. You know what I mean? Like that. Oh, word. Be careful with this one.
What?
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, that's what I said. Be careful.
All right.
So what do we have here now?
Well, I think this is the muffler.
Okay. Okay.
Just, you know, do one of those funny, do one of those funny bench press things, and then
Cameraman never dies.
yeah, this is why the cameraman moves his ass at this point in time, so only I die. Definitely a two-person job. I don't recommend trying to bench press this thing by yourself, because
Also, maybe if we weren't lazy and did the mufflers, like on both of the mufflers, it might have been a little
fuck
easier.
that. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, you're right. Who wants to do that?
Exactly. I just want to take the whole thing out at once, and it's extra work.
Yeah.
But I mean, you know, once you get the hangers off, you can just kind of, you know, pop those off.
Yep. Maybe.
Okay, so this is the back half of it, and pretty self-explanatory. Just two flanges. You bolt this side up, the side without the hanger, to the exhaust flange, and then you bolt this up to the cannon side. Yeah, so you get two gaskets. I think this one's actually thicker. I think he used this one. And then I think this one goes in between the two exhausts, because this one's like thin. It just kind of, it's just there. But I think this one is like actually to connect it to the car. So we're gonna use the thicker one on that, and then we're gonna take this guy, and we're gonna use that on the, yeah, on this side.
To your right.
All right, brand new screwdriver versus donut gasket.
Really putting it to the test.
Yep.
This is how you test out new screwdrivers.
Whew. Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
Why did it have to land on me? That was my neck. There's a nice little black spot.
Oh no, there's not actually.
Okay, so that's the donut gasket. Let's get rid of that shit.
I don't fucking use that shit.
You don't fucking need that. Alright, now for the second half, we got a big old cannon up here, and then it's just another flange down there. So we're gonna go ahead and unwrap this fucking massive thing. There we go. There we go. Let's toss that in there. Hopefully I don't throw it away. You feel?
Yep. Rumble.
We're not gonna get any rumble. It's an FA, dog. Those hangers can hold it more than your body weight. That's saying a lot.
Fuck you.
Holy shit. side. Swap hands. Go. Oh yeah, dude. Look at that angle. That angle is exactly what I wanted. Just a nice little cannon just poking right out at that sideways angle.
She's purty.
That's what you get with Greddy, man. That's what you get with Greddy. Greddy gets you right.
Alright, you're good.
Sturdy. Sturdy. So how does she sound back here?
Good, good, good.
Any whistle? No whistle? Damn. Alright, so it's been about a week since I've installed this exhaust. Actually, probably about 2 weeks. But I've been driving around with it a little bit, and I've been getting kind of breaking it in a little bit, because from what I've heard from a friend is that these exhausts take a little bit to break in, but once they break in, they're a lot more peppier. They kind of get more sound, some more feedback from them. So now that it's a little bit broken in, we're gonna go ahead and go for a drive. I'm gonna put the camera on the exterior and give you guys some exterior wide open throttle clips. But right now this is just gonna be some POV driving, and yeah, we're gonna get some wide open throttle clips and just some like regular driving clips, just so you guys get a feel of what this exhaust sounds like with just the catback. No J-pipe, no downpipe, nothing. This is just a completely stock WRX with just the Greddy RS exhaust. Oh Lord. I hope I caught that Honda. That thing looked atrocious. So it's got like little pops here and there. It's nothing too loud, no gunshots. But if you kind of give it enough gas, and if you give it like more than half throttle, and you know, shift around 4,000 RPMs, you get a couple little fun sounding pops. But this car is really not going to open up until you get rid of that resonator on that J-pipe. This golden opportunity has presented us on the straightest part of the road. We are going to be able to have some fun. So this is about half throttle.
let's get it, let's go. Like, hey, 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 hey. I'm a monster, I'm a demon, talking drama, I don't see him. Talking money, I'ma meet him, get my dogs, my freedom. I love the red, never sleep until I'm dead. Passing at the hollows, only time I lay a hit.